Where should you form your business entity? Or restated, what is the state in which you should take the procedures or steps necessary to bring your business entity into legal existence? Let me start by addressing the issue of organization versus operation. Operations, that's the place where you carry on or do business. A business formed or organized in any state can do business in other states simply by registering to do business in that state. Generally, that means registering as a foreign entity. But to come into existence, to be a legal business entity, you must choose a home state in which to organize or form your business. So, how do you choose what is the appropriate state in which to form your business? There are numerous considerations there. First, privacy. You may want to choose a state that does not reveal the names of the owners of the business. For example, many people go to Nevada or form a business entity in Nevada, particularly a limited liability company, because the laws of that state allow for the owners of the LLC, the members, to remain anonymous. So the next strategic consideration is the laws applicable to the business. A business that operates in any state is going to be subject to the laws of that state, but the internal rules of governance that apply to a business entity are generally governed by the state in which the business entity is organized. So take, for example, corporations. Oftentimes, corporations will organize in Delaware because it is a very well established and understood body of law. Next, your funding intentions. As we just discussed, Delaware law is very well known and understood. So generally, business entities that are seeking funding from external investors, that is, angel investors or venture capital groups, generally those investors will desire that the business entity be organized in Delaware as a C corporation. So, with that being said, these are some of the primary strategic, if you will, considerations for where to organize your business entity. But the main takeaway here is wherever you choose to organize your business, you can still do business or carry on operations in other jurisdictions or states simply by registering in that state as a foreign entity.